Well, welcome back, everybody. So, as you know, yesterday I just installed the new seat from Corbin. So today I'm taking a little ride to test it out. Destination's a little town called Hagerman. It's a fairly scenic route going out this way, so we get to see a little bit of, nice stuff instead of city for once. Yeah. Sucks that they broke down. Yeah, it's about 40 minutes from here, or from where I live at least. I'm about 10 minutes out. Yeah, so just enjoy the countryside. I don't know. Yeah, just trying to do a mini stress test of the seat, because as you know, with the stock seat, 20 minutes in it and my ass is hurting and going numb pretty much. So with this seat, I've been riding for a whole 12 minutes and it's been pretty good so far. I don't feel a damn thing. I feel like I'm sitting on a fucking cloud. Yeah, as you can see, not much out here except farmland once you get outside the city. I can't even really call it a city, it's a town. Yeah, a lot of farmland out here. Maybe we'll pick it up once we're getting to the next town so you can see what a small town in Idaho looks like. Alright, we're just coming into Buell now. It's another little town. I don't know how many people actually live here, but fairly small compared to most places. Let's see, what's their population science say? 4,122. Yeah, small town. I mean, granted, it's bigger than the place I grew up in. The place I grew up at is 2,500. Or was, at least. I don't know what is that now. Why are we going 25 into 35? Like, come on, people. But yeah, so, we're 20 minutes in now, and this is about the amount of time where I'd start feeling discomfort on the stock seat, and I still don't feel a damn thing. Like, other than you get the feeling that you've been sitting for 20 minutes, but no pain, no discomfort, no nothing. Yeah, it's been good. I got more discomfort from the fucking foot pegs right now than I do the goddamn seat. Three Musketeers Mocha. I might have to hit that up on my way back. That sounds good. Oh, a little STI, I think. Some kind of SUV. But yeah, so we're coming into Buell proper now. A little ice cream shop there. Yeah. Hey, another biker. I'm seeing a lot of people out today. Yeah, it's a quaint little town. Oh, Goldwing? Nice. Was that a Roadster, I think? I don't know. I can't tell Harleys apart. I don't know why, I just can't. Everything's Roadster, Sport, Glide, ST. I don't fucking know. I don't know my Harleys. Come on. I know it's 25 through here, but it feels so bad. Oh, hello. Yeah, I know where our houses are. Cute little houses. That is cool. Yeah, that's Beale. Now we're back out into the country. Pretty quick transition. There's Hagerman, 19 miles. Yeah. Alright, we're turning in a half mile. Mostly farmland still. All farmland. Oh, yeah. Next ride. Yep. That's a fun turn. I hate how this bike keeps it in 6th gear when you're slowing down like that to 40. And I mean, yeah, I could downshift manually, but what's the point of having an automatic if you do it manually? What the fuck are you doing, guy? Well, we are in Hagerman. I just stopped and gassed up, so it was low, so, you know, kind of needed it. Yeah, it's just a little itty bitty town out here. Maybe 40-minute drive out here or so. And the seat held up very, very well. Alright, let's not. Yeah, it was, did pretty fucking phenomenal, if I do say so. So this will be a lot nicer for, oh, hello, for sale. Huh. Anyways, ADHD moments aside. Why are you acting weird? Come on. Why are you not holding stable throttle? Oh, there we go. I didn't have it on. I didn't have the throttle open enough. It kept cutting. Okay. Anyways, but yeah, seat held up really fucking good. It's going to be nice and comfortable for longer rides. They got a little bike path out here. Okay. It's pretty, whoa. Okay, I guess we're gonna flip a Yui here. I was looking to the side, did not see her braking. Oh. Alright, well, we just got out of my mom's friend's house. I didn't record anything of theirs because not my property, so I'm not gonna show anything on it. Yeah, we're just kind of gonna head on out, really. Oh, that wind feels good. It's like 80 something out now, and well, the bike says 96, but it's picking up its own engine heat. Oh, don't look at the roadkill. Come on, you should know that rule from other people. Flea market. Oh yeah, get that wind. Woo. It's yeah, like I said, really nice out. It's about 80 something right now, and wearing a leather jacket, kind of hot until you get to riding. Then it's really nice. Okay, so damn, Hagerman's population is 872. It's a tiny, tiny town. Calvary Chapel, Hagerman. Nope. Barbecue place. And there's a city hall. Have a museum. Oh. They're big enough to have a Papa Kelsey's. Thrift store. Well, this is really the only main road in the town. Everything else is like houses around here. It's one of those little towns where you blink, you miss it. Super transport. Oh, hey, a bunch of bikers. Mercedes. Yeah, so also this road out here that I'm on, it's called the Thousand Springs Scenic Byway. It goes pretty much from Bliss down to Twin Falls. So if you're ever in the area, it's a nice, pretty drive pretty much all year round. I think we're going to overtake the truck here when it's clear. As soon as we get through this line curve. Oh, now it's no passing zone. Back over the snake. Let's see, we're back in Mule going the other way. So this was... The fuck are you doing, guy? You're gonna stop in the middle of the road? Oh, he's backing in somewhere. Okay, whatever. But yeah, that was odd. But yeah, we're on our way back home. It was a nice little ride out today. Probably, I don't know, it's 70 miles, 2 ways, maybe 80, I don't know. So, short ride, all things considered, but seat held up really, really good. I don't feel anything anymore. Anyways, like, no pain in the bum, which you never want pain in your bum. Anyway, I'm gonna cut off here. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.